Hi, this is Vandita. I'm the founder of TIA, the Image Academy, which is based at Hiranandani Powai. With me today, I have Vedika here, who is today at the last session of her image consultancy program. Her objective was communications. So today she has gone through a listening exercise where we gave her this sheet to do. What basically I did was narrate and describe the diagrams, and this is what she has drawn on both the sides of the paper, and these were the actual drawings. Now what we are doing with her today is another part of communication, where I have given her 5 objects to speak on, which is impromptu. She is familiar with 3 objects, and the 2 objects are not familiar. She's not familiar with. So she is going to now describe these objects, and she is going to watch her emotions and body language in the mirror, which is going to reflect how well she has done for herself. So over to Vedika now.
Hello, good afternoon. Today I'll be telling you about these 5 objects which are placed in front of me. Now I'll start with this bowl of chocolates. Now this, as you all can see, is a bowl full of chocolates. Now different people will view this bowl as in a different way. Now let me tell you how. For example, for the kids, the first thing that will come into their mind are these bunch of Toblerone chocolates, these lip smacking chocolates which they'll obviously want to just pick up 3, 4 and eat all of them. These yellow, black and white color, different flavored chocolates, oh my god, come on, everyone wants these. However, this is only the point of view of a small child. Now let's talk about mothers. They won't even give a look at the chocolate. All they'll see is this beautiful bowl, this white colored bowl with different blue patterns made on it. The first thing in their mind will be, oh my god, where do they give these bowls? I want one of these. And the chocolates, come on, I won't keep chocolates in them. My children will have bad teeth and cavities. All they'll want is to find the ball, and they'll be thinking, where can I get these? I mean, what is the price? Let's just get it as soon as possible. I hope my neighbor doesn't have one of these. It's very pretty, you see. So this is the way different people will see this bowl as. As for me, I think the only thing I'm seeing in this is are these yellow chocolates which I really want.
Okay, your next object.
Now this is a color wheel. Haven't we all learned about this in school? Come on, our drawing teacher comes to the class and the first thing which we draw in our notebooks is a proper color wheel. Now, have you ever wondered how this thing can be used? Like, there are many ways to use this. Like in school, all we've been taught about how to mix the colors. But where do you need these? I mean, no one told us about that, right? Now, you can actually find out the color which you belong to, the color group which suits you the most depending upon your hair color, eye color and your body structure. And the best color which will suit you and your face and your complexion can tell you which type of clothes to wear. Never thought about it, right? I mean, I just saw this as a color wheel at first, but I never knew what all can be done with this color wheel. But the different colors, like the mixing, matching. In school when they were teaching us, it was such a pain to take out that color box and just, color it. I mean, I didn't even pay attention to it. In fact, I didn't even remember most of it. I just know there are 3 basic colors, primary, secondary, blah, blah. But there's so much which can be done with this color wheel. I mean, I had no idea. Should really try it.
Very good.
Now this is a DVD by Icon Pro. Now this will teach you the art of public speaking. You might find it weird, like looking at a video and learning, but it is really helpful. Like it's not very easy going, on a stage and going and speaking. So many people feel so nervous. How do you go and speak on the stage, in front of so many people? It's not easy. What posture should you be standing in? What should be your hand movements? How should you react? I mean, what are your expressions? It's not very easy, right? I mean, and this video will give you every information which you need. It will tell you how to stand, how to look, how to present yourself in front of a good group of people. In fact, I myself have seen this video and I I can guarantee you that it does help a lot, and the way I'm speaking, I think it's all because I've seen this video. You should really refer to it.
Very good.
I don't think I need to tell much about this object. Everyone has these at their homes, right? It's a dictionary. It's a pocket dictionary. Now, someone has a Collins, someone has an Oxford. This again is another brand. It's a new revised edition by the International Website Spelling Dictionary. It's an international website spelling dictionary. Obviously, referring to these once in a while, everyone, while studying books, novels, at some point of the time, we get stuck at some words, the meaning of which we do not know. And we would obviously like to know about them, right? So, this dictionary always comes handy. Whenever you are stuck at some paragraph, some word, and you don't understand it and have no one to ask, the first thing you will do is refer to your dictionary. Now obviously there are mobile dictionaries, but not everyone, it doesn't suit everyone's requirement. And it doesn't suit everyone's requirement, right? I mean, like a 4-year kid cannot go and refer to the phone, right? Besides, it's not even good enough to check words in the phone. This dictionary, however, will always be in your bag and it won't even be heavy to carry. You can always use it and take it anywhere.
Okay, great. So what I want you to do here, when you are displaying the objects, you keep the object stationary and then talk with one hand. Okay, because what happens if the objects are being also, they are moving with your hand, then it's very distracting for yourself and for the audience. So the last one, you just hold it and then you talk with one hand. You can have movement and your leg can be straight. Standing on one leg may not be appropriate, yeah? Okay.
This is now my last object about which I am going to tell you. So this is a box. Can anyone guess what it is? It's actually a desk pad. It's got there are so many pages inside, around 100 to 200. Whenever you're near the phone, the telephone or your cordless, you never find pages to write, right? I mean, I find it so difficult. I have to go inside the room, get my notebook and then jot down whatever I want. Now this will always be near your phone or your cordless or your mobile phone or whatever. You can always, just in a moment or two, pick up a pen from your pen stand and jot down the notes which you need to write. Other than that, there are so many sheets. You can always use these for your rough work, for writing down important phone numbers as well as for many other works. Now, children and kids and even us, we always need these pages to write something or the other. Also, the box is pretty attractive. Even if the pages are over, you can use it for something else, right? Even if these pages are not there, you can always refill it again and again. It won't be much of a problem. Besides, even if it's kept somewhere in the house, it looks like a proper stationery item. It doesn't look bad at all. So, I recommend that everyone should be having one of these as it's very, very attractive and it's very handy.
Okay, very good. Very good. So you can just turn around here, Vedika. So this was Vedika. She spoke on 5 objects that were given to her impromptu, and I think she spoke very, very well. Vedika is very young. She is a 17-year-old girl who is still in school. She enrolled for image consultancy and grooming with us. She has a long way to go, but she's armed with a very, very strong knowledge of basics that are required in this world. Thank you very much. This is Vedika. I'm Vandita signing off for TIA, the Image Academy, which is located at Hiranandani Powai. Thank you.